Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at number system. Number system is how we do our counting. How we do our what? Counting. Normally in the world we count in base 10. We count in base what?
10.
Base 10. Or we call it decimal or ordinary. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And this counting involves numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to what?
9.
You find out that every number you're writing in this word is always from 0 to 9, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we are always counting in base what? 10. If you want to write 568 naira, 568, is it not?
Yes, sir.
This 4, can you find it in base 10 number?
Yes, sir.
This 6, can you find it?
Yes, sir.
This 8, can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Because we are counting in base what? 10. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If you're doing computing and other areas of life, you can be counting in base 2. You understand?
Yes.
Like the basic computer-based machine language sees numbers in base 2. And base 2 number are only 0 and what? 1. Only 0 and what?
1.
Base 2, binary. Only 0 and what?
1.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So your essence of learning base number is to be able to either work in base 10, which is the normal way of working, or work in any of these other bases, base 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, or any base. Is that clear?
Yes.
And like I told you, in computing, they normally use base what? In programming, base what? 2. Because they are seeing functions of mainly zeros and what? 1. So if you have such number as this, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This number is in base what?
2.
Base what? 2. Because it's comprising of only what? Zeros and what? 1. Is that clear? If we have 2 here, what base will this be?
3.
It will now be from base what?
3.
3 upwards. Is that clear?
Yes.
This number can be in base 3 upwards because when you look at base 3 is having 0, 1, and 2. You understand? And it can also be found in base 4. So it can occur in any of these bases. But if this one can never be base 2, you can never call this one base 2. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why can't you call it base 2? Because of the presence of 2.
2.
You understand? For it to be a base 2 number, it has to be only zeros and what?
1.
1.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So you should be able to appreciate numbers in every base. What base can this number contain? Be in
Base 8.
base 8, huh?
Yes.
Why can it be in base 8? Yes, because base 8, you can see base 8 has numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all these things are contained. So it can be in base 8. It can also be in base what?
9.
9. And it can also be in base what?
10.
10. Or can it be in base 4?
No.
No.
Because in base 4 is only comprising of 0, 1, 2, and what? 3.
3.
But this one is having 4 and above. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So any number in base 10 can have such numbers as this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Number in base 9 will not have 9. Is that clear?
Yes.
It will only have up to what? 8. Number in base 10 will only have up to what? 9. From 0. Is that clear?
Yes.
Number in base 7 can only have from 0 to what? 6 without 7. Is that clear?
Yes.
So every number of any base, the highest number will be the base minus 1. Is that clear? For 10, the highest number is what? 9, which is 10 minus 1. For 9, the highest number is what? 8, which is 9 minus 1. For 8, the highest number is what? 7, which is what? 8 minus 1. Like that. Which base did I miss here?
5.
5. So if I put now base 5, I want you to tell me the components of things that can be contained base 5. Give me the number. 1 is what?
0.
0.
1. 2. 3. 4. That's all.
That's all, huh?
Yes,
There's
sir.
no 5. Because the highest number has to be 5 minus 1, which is what? 4.
4.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this number 2, 3, 4 can be a number in base what?
5.
5, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? It can be a number in base 5. It can also be a number in base what?
6.
And also what?
7.
And also what?
8.
And also what? 9. And also what?
10.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is what we call base numbering. That is what we call what? That is what we call what?
Number.
Base numbering. Now, base number is a system of counting in which certain units make up a what? Bundle. The bundle forms the next place value. Generally, counting is done in base what? 10. Known as decimal or what? Denary. The highest digit of any number base is 1 less than the base. The highest digit in this number base is what? 9, because it is actually 10 minus what? 1, which is what? 1 less than the base. Is that clear?
Yes.
And the various base numbers has these numbers in them. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you are going to be learning how to convert from one base to the other. From one what?
Base to the other.
Very, very important. You need to know how to convert from one base to the other. And we are going to be starting with conversion from one base to another. And we are going to be starting with conversion from base 10 to another base. Is that clear?
Yes.
That is what we are going to be starting with, converting from base 10 to another base. Converting from base 10 to what?
Another base.
And we are going to be demonstrating it using an what?
Example.
Using an example. We are going to be using an example to demonstrate this. Write that on the board. So let's convert 124 base 10 to a number in base 8. Convert 124 base 10 to a number in what? Base 8. That is what we are going to be using to illustrate this. And how do we do that? We do this by doing what we call continuous division. Doing what we call what?
Continuous division.
We write the number we want to convert from base 10. You understand?
Yes.
The number in base 10 that we want to convert. Then we write the base that we are going to be converting to. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we keep dividing and finding the remainders. We keep dividing and finding the what?
Remainder.
Then the remainders that we find, we take them off from behind, and that will be the answer. So let's say 124 divided by 8 is what? Press your calculator or anything. 124 divided by 8 will give us what?
13 remainder.
It will give us 15 remainder 4.
4.
Is that clear? 124 divided by 8 will give us what? 15 remainder 4. Now 15 divided by 8 will give us what?
1 remainder 7.
1 remainder what?
7.
7. That's what it will give us. 1 remainder 7. Now 1 divided by 8 will give us what?
0 remainder 1.
0 remainder what? 1. And the answer becomes the remainders taken up. So it will. So we can now say that 124 base 10 is equal to. Can you see the remainders? Take them off from behind. 174 base what?
10.
8.
Base 8. Sorry.
Is that clear?
Yes.
That is how you do it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That is how you do it. We are going to take another example. 437 base 10 to base 5. We are going to convert what? Convert 437 base 10 to a number in base 5. Is that clear? So what do I write? I draw this for my continuous division, is it not?
Yes.
I now write 437. What do I divide with?
5.
5, which is the base you want it to be in. So what is 437 divided by 5?
85 remainder
87
2.
remainder 2. 87 remainder what?
2.
What is 5 divided by 87?
17 remainder 4.
17 remainder
4.
no? 17 remainder 2. What is 17 divided by 5?
3 remainder 2.
3 remainder what?
2.
3 remainder 2. What is 3 divided by 5?
0 remainder 3.
0 remainder what?
3.
3. Once you have 0 remainder something, you know that you are ending, is it not?
Yes.
So you pick it up from behind, you are going to have what?
3, 2, 2,
3, 2, 2, 2. Base what?
5.
5. So that's how you convert. You convert by what we call continuous division, then you pick the remainders. Is that clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes.
Let's look at this again. Appreciate it. In subsequent classes, we'll be looking at converting from other bases to base what?
Yeah.
10. Is that clear?
Yes,
If you
sir.
like this our video, please click on the subscribe button, like, share so that your friends can see them. Thanks for your support.
True.